So there's been significant decline of coral reefs globally over the last several decades, and so there's a great need globally to really come up with new solutions to how we can actually restore coral reefs. We've partnered with Mars to test this new approach to restoring coral reefs, and so we're conducting testing in our wave flume at UWA.
Mars Reef Star is basically a series of wires in the shape of a star where they attach little coral fragments on that they grow in nurseries, and then the hope is that those coral fragments then grow and then overtake the star into a full reef again.
So it's been a really good opportunity to work with Mars, bringing together some of the ecological expertise that they have with the ocean engineering expertise that UWA brings. And so we have a really novel wave flume that we are essentially building scaled models of these restoration techniques, where we can actually test them under realistic wave conditions that you would find in the natural environment, including under extreme wave conditions.